So, the third thing that we want to do is we want to hit the side body. Side body is very, very important in the mid back, okay? So, literally all we do is just keep this arm. All we do is keep this arm nice and straight, the one that we're stretching. Grab onto it, totally relax and dead arm here, okay? And just turn and lean. Breathe into that. Try to make sure you don't lean over too much. If anything, you want to lean back just a little bit, and that'll hit the lat a little bit better there. And just breathe. So again, you're here, you're straight, lean back just a bit, especially as you get further and further to the side. You might want to lean back a little more, but play around with it. See what really does the best job stretching that side body. Nice. And just hold that there. Breathe into it. And that is part 30.